Question 17. The road from A to B is 160 kilometers. A lorry at 45 kilometers per hour leaves A for B at 11:50 a.m. At the same time, a car at 75 leaves B for A. They meet at a point C. Part A. 1. They move towards each other, so their speeds add. The closing speed is 45 plus 75, 120 kilometers per hour. The time to meet is the distance over that. 160 over 120, which is 4/3 of an hour, or 1 hour 20 minutes. Add that to 11:50 to get 1:10 in the afternoon. Part A. 2. The distance A to C is how far the lorry travelled. 45 times 4/3, which is 60 kilometers. Part B. First, when does the lorry reach B? It still has 160 minus 60, 100 kilometers, at 45. 100 over 45 is 2 hours, 13 1/3 minutes. So the lorry reaches B at 3:23 1/3 in the afternoon. The car must arrive at A at that same moment. The car rests at C for 1 hour 40 minutes, so it leaves C at 10 to 3. From 10 to 3 until 3:20, 3 1/3 leaves 33 1/3 minutes. That's 5/9 of an hour, to cover the 60 kilometers. So the average speed is 60 divided by 5/9, which is 60 times 9/5, 108 kilometers per hour. Well done. That's question 17 complete.